In relation to the garden wall / retaining wall, Harry, you mentioned there is a wall behind it, and that this is just a fascia, and there is a retaining wall behind it with foundation going a good 600 into the ground. So that's noted. That's something. It does, however, load this side of the pool. The fact that we're now 15, 20, I think, away is good because we're further away from it, and the fact that the deep end is up this end where the wall is at its lowest and near this intersection of where it wraps around here, and perhaps that wall ends here or wraps around to the top of the steps, I don't know, but that gives good restraint in this corner. Because I've done a very detailed survey today, and the survey unit, the tool I use, does essentially 100,000 data points a minute. So we've got probably a 2 or 3 or 4 gigabyte file, which gives me levels and lines on the whole wall and the top of it. So it serves as what's called a dilapidation report on what I've done today. And all I would ask in the future is that you keep an eye on the wall, and if there's any signs that it's moving towards the pool, which is, I think, going to be highly unlikely given the line and level we're talking about. But you always look out for those sort of changes in your landscape in the backyard, because the minor changes are an indication that perhaps something's going on and needs to be looked at. So being a man of technical grounding in civil engineering, you know what I'm talking about there, and I'm sure you will keep an eye on things, because I can see that that's the way that the house is put together. Everything's clearly put together with a great eye for detail. So I just wanted to make that comment about the wall, given that it hasn't been designed to be sitting next to a swimming pool. All the best.